Looking for the best digital multimeter in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best digital multimeter available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The MEST 5 Digital Multimeter 6000 count is a powerful and reliable tool designed for electricians, photovoltaic technicians, and industrial users. With true RUMS capability, it delivers accurate readings for both AC and DC measurements, even on non-linear loads. The 6000 count display ensures clear, precise results, while its impressive 2000 V and 20 range makes it suitable for high voltage and heavy-duty applications, including solar and mining environments. It also features temperature testing, adding versatility for troubleshooting electrical systems. Built with safety and durability in mind, this multimeter feels solid in hand and performs consistently, making it a dependable choice for professionals who demand accuracy and performance. Number 4. The Habitus Digital Multimeter HT180 delivers solid performance for both professionals and enthusiasts. With true RUMS technology and the 6000 count display, it provides accurate measurements across a wide range of functions including AC/DC voltage up to 1000 V, current, resistance, frequency, and continuity. The auto range feature makes testing quick and intuitive, while CV non-contact voltage detection adds safety when locating live wires. It also handles diode and Hertz testing reliably. Build quality feels durable, and the clear backlit display improves readability in low light. Overall, the HT180 is a dependable, versatile multimeter that offers excellent value for its price. Number 3. The Anning 870 Digital Multimeter is a standout choice for both professionals and serious hobbyists. With an impressive 19,999 count resolution and true RUMS measurement, it delivers highly accurate readings for AC/DC voltage and current, making it dependable for complex electrical work. The wide measurement range and precision suit automotive diagnostics, household electrical troubleshooting, and advanced electronics testing. Its clear, large display with backlight ensures easy reading in all lighting conditions, while the solid build feels durable and reliable. Additional features like resistance, capacitance, frequency, and temperature testing add valuable versatility. User-friendly controls and intuitive interface make operation smooth even for less experienced users. Overall, the Anning 870 combines professional-grade performance with excellent value, making it a versatile and trustworthy multimeter for everyday and advanced use. Number 2. The MEST 5 2000 V20 Extra Large Range Digital Multimeter is a robust and versatile all-in-one testing tool ideal for electricians, photovoltaic technicians, and industrial users. With true RUMS measurement and a wide 2000 V/20 range, it handles demanding AC/DC testing with high accuracy, even in complex electrical environments. The extra large range makes it especially useful for solar power systems, heavy machinery diagnostics, and high-voltage circuits. Its multifunctional design covers voltage, current, resistance, frequency, and more, reducing the need for multiple instruments. The clear, easy-to-read display and solid build quality enhance usability and durability. Overall, this multifunctional multimeter offers excellent performance and reliability, making it a valuable tool for professionals and serious dyers alike. Number 1. The Unity Professional Multimeter UT161 series is a reliable and user-friendly tool for both professionals and hobbyists. With a 1000 VAC/DC range, it accurately measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and more. The standout analog bar graph alongside the digital readout makes it easy to track changing signals in real time. Models like the UT161E, UT161D, and UT161B offer solid performance with intuitive controls and a clear display. Build quality feels durable, and the multimeter handles everyday electrical troubleshooting with confidence. Whether you're testing circuits, checking components, or working on projects. This Digital Multimeter delivers dependable measurements and excellent value for the price.